Tuk Tuk's kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a few stuff I've been getting in my pantry. There's some stuff over here and there's stuff filled in my bag, which I have a lot of. Let's start off with this, which is a favorite of mine and I'm sure it will be everyone's. This is Nutella. This is a hazelnut and chocolate spread. This is the best ever one. You can put it with bread. You can put it in any like cookies you make or something. Yeah, you can put them on cakes for frosting. They taste delicious. Then you make chocolate chips, or you can frost with it. You can make glaze. They taste super. So one of those, you need to get these. These are super. Next is from the bags. It is mini. These are the chocolate ones. You can get vanilla. You can get the strawberry one. You can get the, these are the white yellow one, and that's the cinnamon. You get the cinnamon one. They can billions of choices. These are super delicious. So I'm going to show you one of those. See these. These are Oreo mini. Yummy. Next is mixed herbs from Kia. This is in India. This is an Indian brand. I'm going to be even showing you the foreign brands. The old stuff I've been getting is from Nature Basket, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And this is the best, guys. You can put it in some pizzas and stuff. They taste super delicious. So they are in mass. I mean, not in mass, but you should get one of those. Then I have some Viva Burger mayonnaise. You can use it for sandwiches and they're super good. From the company Viva. I like this so much. It's mayo, guys. It's mayo. I love it. So these are also very good. Oh, these look like a toothpaste. But this is not a toothpaste. This is an ingredient. When I got this, I was like, Mom, this looks like a toothpaste. And then she's like, no, this is peri-peri ketchup. This is tomato chili peri-peri ketchup. I opened it just now. It tastes superb as it is. And pizza especially. You can dip it like when you're having French fries. And now I have some pizza seasoning. This is my favorite and this is from Kia. You can put it in pizzas and you have many other choices to put it in. This is like a lot of herbs mixed in. It's like for something for pizza tastes, and these taste delightful. I love these. And really, if you put it in pizza before it's baking or after it's baking, it will taste wow, 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 wow. So, one of these, pizza seasoning. Next, I have some Arana company, from Arana company spread. And these two, the pizza seasoning was from Kia. See guys, these are from Kia. Some Arana cheese spread. You can put it in like your sandwiches you make. Like the burger spread, you can put it in sandwiches. You can put it in burgers. That's why it's burger spread. Cheese spread is like when you're making cheese burst pizza or while you're making sandwiches. Yummy, yummy. Or for your breakfast. Yum. So one of these. Then I have some baking powder. I have 2 of those. Oh, my bag is finished. So, wow. Baking powder from Bluebird. See guys, this is from Bluebird. And these baking powders, you guys, you can put it in cakes, but for sure, cakes, cupcakes. You need to put it in pizzas, donuts, then cookies you use for all these stuff. And baking powder is even for mug cakes, and it makes whatever cake you're putting in, it rises. It makes the thing rise. So I love baking, so I always like to have a bunch of these. Then my next pack, I have a bit of butter. Now comes into the foreign company. This is Morgan's, right? It's Morgan's, yeah, it's Morgan's butter. This says garlic and herbs. Oh, this is garlic and herbs. Unsalted butter, 125 grams. And this is like, oh, there's some words written in here in another language. I don't get this. And see a cow. He's showing some onions and spinach, you know. Wow. These butter, you can put it like some, when you're making cookies, these are good. When you're making buttercream, these are kind of good. When you're making cakes, good. You can use these. Next. I have some blueberries. You can put them in cakes, cupcakes, and they are super good. From this scroll, this is my favorite brand, and this is a imported one from the USA. These are so good, 125 grams. I love these scrolls. Blueberries. Again, put it in cakes and enjoy it. Even you can put in blueberry icing, buttercream icing, whipped cream icing. Wait, I remember I had some whipping cream. Wait, where is it? I found some heavy whipping cream in my pantry. I even have baking soda, fight to the places. I have some heavy whipping cream for when I'm making whipped cream or chocolate ganache. You can use the heavy whipping cream. This is 250 grams of Arana again. This means it's a foreign company one. Ha ha ha. For cakes, and you know, it's like, wow, whipped cream. You can put it on top of cupcakes. It's a good topping. It's a good topping, for sure. It's a good topping. Then I have another brand of heavy whipping cream. This is an India one. This is Delicata. See guys, this is Delicata Dairy Heavy Whipping Cream, 25% milk fat. Again, for cakes, cupcakes, ganache, toppings. I can use them for this. Then I have some, so heavy, Milky Mist 500 grams unsalted butter. Oh, I'm putting it upside down to show you guys. This is a very good unsalted butter, and you can again put it for cakes, pastries, cupcakes, tart, pie, not pie, but for some of the stuff which you even need to make a dough. So those, that do. Click. What I have next? I'm gonna show you two items together now. I have, because these are the same. I have some cheddar cheese for burgers, sandwiches. You can just take a slice, put it in your burger, top them with another one. There we go. Cheddar cheese for burgers, sandwiches, pizza. Sorry, this is not for pizza. This is for pizza. Mozzarella. Wait, I forgot to tell you the brand of this. This is the brand President. Next, it don't fall. This is the mozzarella from Moose brand. You can put this in pizzas and they're superb. They are superb, freshly crafted in India. This is in India, this is in India. Next is some stuff from here. So now I have some baking soda, 250 grams of baking soda from Urban Platter, right? Urban Platter, and this is 175 rupees, and they're so good for baking. These are fresh for baking. You can put them a pinch of that, or 1 teaspoon of that in some kind of baking goods to make, like cakes, cupcakes, vanilla and stuff, even molten lava cake. These are good and nice. It says professional baking soda. Then, I forgot to show you guys my favorite. I keep holding this always. This looks like a wine or beer bottle. This is Spring from the brand Spring. Natural extract of vanilla. Vanilla extract. These are super good. Use these in baking and they're freshly done. They're so beautiful. I like this bottle so much. See, this is so cute bottle. Little bottle with a little sputter top. Then I have some chocolate chips. This is from L Exclusive again. See guys, L Exclusive. These are the best. I'm gonna have 2 of those. They're super delicious. This is a baking dark chocolate chip. Enjoy them when you're having with cookies, sometimes cakes, chocolate chip cupcakes, or something like that. Enjoy, especially chocolate chip cookies. Next, I have 400 grams of L Exclusive baking chocolate bar. So I have 2 of this, that's why it's 400 grams. 200. So, baking math. So these are super delicious. You cannot eat these. You can only use it for baking. That's why it's baking chocolate bar. I sometimes sneak and eat those. So these are good for baking when you make chocolate cakes. Then I have some corn flour from the company Bluebird. These are also good. You can make for cookies, soup and all. These are very good for that. Corn soup or something like that. These are perfecta. Then I have my favorite silver balls. This size in medium from the company CCDS. These are so good silver balls. See guys, you can use it for cake decoration and cupcake decoration. You can put them on something like dough. I like the sound of those. Then I have some light soya sauce from the company Blue Elephant. Light soya sauce, delish. You can make this from chicken marinade for chicken marinade and all. These are very good. And then oh wait, let me show you my favorite brand. American Garden. My favorite brand, guys. See this, have a close look. American Garden. My favorite brand, which pizza sauce for, like, you got a pizza crust done or out from your market. You take a little palette knife or a spoon or whatever, and you take it, you put it, you dip it into the sauce, and you just put it in the pizza crust. It's really delicious because this is my favorite brand, American Garden. I like this so much. I love it. Then I have some cocoa powder from Hints. Cocoa powder. Yummy for chocolate. Cupcakes or those stuff. If you're making chocolate smoothie, put it back in. Wait, let me finish all those. Some large flake yeast from Red Mill. And the last is Bowley Kitchen Egg Noodles. Delicious. But guys, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share to my channel. And send in the comments down below which video shall I send next. Bye guys, see you soon.